Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to make a product from start to finish using Kittl. So I'm going to show you how you make a graphic, how you add text to it, and then how you put it on a product on Zazzle, and then making a cover photo with Kittl too. Kittl is an AI site that has so many things you could do. I literally use it all day. So anyway, going to go to my account, and when you go to Kittl, they have different accounts. They have a free one, they have a pro one, an expert one, and then like a group one for businesses. I'm in the second level. I think it's like 9 something a month, and that has been fine for me, and I do a lot of work on here. So um okay, so I'm going to go right here and I'm going to pick a board. I'm going to pick a project. So right here I have my blank screen, and today I'm going to do a UFO themed shirt. So I'm going to go down here where it says Kittl AI and click on it. And then right here you can put in prompts to get like what you're looking for. So I'm going to put UFO, alien, light shining down, degenerative lines, hyper realistic, and ultra detailed. And then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to leave it on 1 by 1. And I'm going to go down here and click on show all. And I'm going to try a couple different of these and see if I get one I like. First, I'm going to do a mascot. Then I'm going to click generate image. And then you can see right here it's making an image. So I don't want that. I'm going to do a couple of these until I get one I like. Maybe if I take out the alien or alien flying a UFO. Sometimes you got to do a couple of them until you get one you like, but Kittl's pretty good at it. It's my favorite site I've worked on so far. If you work on an AI site, tell me which ones you like down below. Okay, I'm going to center this, and then I'm going to go over here to background remover and click on it. Okay, now I'm going to download this graphic. I'm going to make it 300 DPI, optimize quality, and I'm going to download it. Sometimes it downloads with this black background, so I always check if it downloaded right. The second time it usually downloads right. I don't know if that's just my computer or if this happens to everybody. So I'm going to download it again. Make sure it downloaded right. And yeah, see, the second time it does. I don't know why it does that. So anyway, I just wanted to have that to save that, but I'm also going to add text to this. So I'm going to put UFO Hunter on this. So let's add some text. So you can pull this and play around with the text. You can center it right here with these. And then you can pick which text you like. Play around with different ones. I kind of like the way that one looks, so I think I might go with that one. Now, if you want to get the same exact text, I'm going to delete this real fast. You can click on this and just click copy and paste. And then you'll have the same exact text. So you can just change the word, but it will be the same size, the same text. center that. And then you can click on this and you can go over here to effects and you can play around with, like, if you want shading. What's nice is when you pick on color, the color you used up here will show up down here so that you know that they totally match. And there's lots of different effects you could use. You know, they have all kinds of things you can fool around with. But I'm just going to leave it like this for now. So now I got my graphic for my t-shirt. So, and also I want to show you guys over here, if you want to add anything else, you can go to elements and, like, say you wanted to add stars. You can put in stars, you know, and you could add more if you wanted to. And again, when you click on color, it'll have the colors of everything down here. So it's really nice that you can just make everything perfectly match. So, like, if you want to add more elements, you could. I'm not going to add these. I'm just going to leave it like this. And then I'm going to click over here on download again. Make sure it's 300 DPI, optimized quality, and download as a PNG. And of course, I'm going to have to do it twice probably, because the first time always has a black background for some reason, and the second time will be transparent. And I always forget to change the name. Don't forget to change the names up here. So I'm going to download this again. You might not have to do it twice. Again, I don't know if that's a Kittl thing or a My Computer thing. I'm guessing it's a My Computer thing. Now I noticed up here I forgot to change this with the effects. I want to take this off and just have that. So I'll download it for the third time really quickly here. Bear with me. I could edit this out, but you might as well see, like, the process of what you go through, because I think everybody goes through a couple mistakes while you're making things. I know I do. When people write to me and ask me questions, I'm like, oh God, I'm not like a I'm not a professional at anything, but I just like to share the knowledge I do have with people. You know, it's the best way to learn from each other. And also, I forgot to tell you, you guys can put in the width and height right here too. You guys can make this whatever you want. People always ask me the size, you know, that Zazzle prefers for things. And as far as I know, they don't have a chart or anything. So, you know, usually if you do like 5,000 by 5,000 or 6,000 by 6,000, it's good enough. I didn't raise it, but I think for a shirt, this will be fine because that's what I'm going to work on. Okay, so now I got this downloaded. Okay, so now I'm going to go here and make sure I got the ones I need. Okay, I got those two are the ones I want. So I am going to go over to Zazzle. And then I'm going to go to my store, My Paranormal. And this is the store I'm going to be creating in today. So first, we're going to go here to create. And we're going to pick a t-shirt. So I'm just going to pick a men's value t-shirt. And we're going to go here to customize this design. Click on it. And then we're going to go to this button on the left, upload images. And we're going to upload the graphic. So from here, you can go onto the right side and you can shrink it or enlarge it. You can click on this picture to see what it looks like. I'm not sure if that looks too big or not. Let me shrink it down one. I think I like it like that. Center it how you like it. And if you want, you can, you know, put something on the back of the shirt. Like we can just do a little one up back there. And then when you get it how you like it, click done. And then right here you can see what it looks like. And when you're happy, click sell it. Then you fill out the title. I never put the product here because it automatically gets added on by Zazzle. And then you pick the category you want it to be in, men's shirts, and then you put a description. Make sure you use lots of keywords and think of what people would use or say to search for this item. Events, recipient for him. Really, it could be for anyone. I'm just going to leave for anyone. And then you pick the store you're going to put it in, which is going to be My Paranormal. And then you can pick a category. So I'm going to pick aliens and ufology. And then I'm going to go down here to tags. I never add it to the collection here because on my computer it takes way too long. But I haven't made a collection for the shed anyway, so you can add it to a collection if you have one made for whatever you're making. And since it's AI, I put generative content in the tag. Zazzle asks you to do that. Alright, so then I go down here and click on G. It's rated G. I leave these how they are. My royalties just set at 10% across the board. And then I click this that I have the right to sell this. And then post it. So Zazzle makes this pretty easy to transfer to another product too. So say I want to make this in a women's shirt too. You just click on the women's shirt and it will transfer it. And then you can, you know, pick what color you want it to be on. If you want a different color. Make sure it looks right in the front and back. And then go to Edit Design, click on that. Just make sure everything's how you like it. Click on Done, and then click on Sell It. And this is all going to be filled in for you. So you can change some words. I'm lazy and I just leave the description, but Zazzle says they like if you change a couple of the words. You know, do it however you want. You can add on. And then again, if you want, you can add any of this stuff right here. Recipient. It's already saved from the last product we made. So most of the information's already in here. So you don't have to fill everything out again. It's just a quick way to make new products. And you can keep transferring this to so many different things. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to go to the products. I'm going to go back to the men's shirt. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cover photo, again, using Kittl. So I'm going to go up here to, see on this top bar right here, go right here to Downloads. Pick one of these views. You can pick both or one and click on download. I'm going to download these two. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them both, but I'm going to download these two. So now I'm going to go back over to Kittl. I'm going to delete this. And I am going to go over here on the left-hand side to uploads. And I'm going to upload those two pictures. So select them both. And then they're going to show up down here. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to show up over here. I'm going to enlarge it. And then I'm going to click on AI background remover. So now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on these little dots that say textures. And then I'm going to go up here where it says backgrounds. And I'm going to search for a background that fits in. That one's pretty cool. And you can scroll down and look at all the different backgrounds. And you can also go up here to search and look for backgrounds. So anyway, then you can just pick one that you like. And once you find one that you like, go right here to download. And then click on JPEG and download it. And then once it's downloaded, if you want, you can mess around with this. And I downloaded the other side of the shirt because I wanted to see what it would look like to show both views. I wasn't sure if there was enough room, but we'll see. I'm going to click AI background remover. And this has been my fastest way by far of making cover photos. I know you can, if you have Pro Canva, you can do the same thing in Pro Canva. Remove the backgrounds and add these guys on there. So if you want to show both sides of the shirt, you can here too, like this. And then download those again. And then you go back over to your Zazzle product. And you go up here to where it says Media Manager. Click on that. And then add media. And then up here in the left-hand corner, upload media. And then upload your cover photos. And then you tick the boxes of the ones you want and click on submit, and they're going to pop up here. So I'll probably do it like this. Whatever photo you move here is going to be the primary photo. And then click close, and it's automatically going to pop up here. So there you have it. There's your cover photo. And you can put the front and the back, or you could put... Which one do you guys like better? Just the single guy or the front and the back view? Maybe I should have put text there saying front and back. But let me know in the comments. So anyway, that's it. That's how I use Kittl to make a product and then add it onto and then make a cover photo out of it. So I hope that helped you guys. You guys all have a great day and happy Zazzling to you.